Chances are from time to time, you're going to want to take something that you have on your iPad and you're going to want to send that over to your laptop or vice versa. And there's a whole variety of different ways you can do this, but one of my favorite ways is to use something called Airdrop. And the way Airdrop works is I can send something wirelessly over Bluetooth from one device to the other. So let's say I took a photo with my camera and I'm in my Photos app. I could take this picture here, and all of airdropping is going to take place through the share arrow up here at the top. So I need to make sure both my devices are on and awake and logged in, and as long as they're both awake, I can go ahead and hit my share arrow, and it will show me in my toolbar, gives me all my editing options, different ways to share, but there is an option here that lists this to share with Airdrop. And this is where it's going to show me any computers that are on awake in my area. So if I simply tapped on my computer, it's going to send a message to my other computer, and I will have to accept it. And once I hit accept and save, then that will give me a little progress circle. It goes around, it sends it, and now I have sent something back from my computer or from my iPad directly to my computer. The computer works the same way. You can send things directly to from your computer to your iPad the same way. Now, it doesn't have to just be photos. You can send just about anything back and forth. I can be on a website if I want to, and anything that pretty much has that little share button, I can hit that share and I can send a website from one computer to the other to open it up in one or the other. But that is what is called Airdrop, and it's a simple, easy way to send something to a whole bunch of people or send something to one computer to the other. Now, you will notice I have an option here that says first hour. This is something that was set up in Apple Classroom. Once you set up your classes in Apple Classroom, you will be able to send things with Airdrop directly to a class, whole class for the students, whether it's a document or a website. You can send it to them also in Airdrop also. So, pretty cool.